Welcome to our DIY audio amplifier module tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to power two speakers using the PA3116D2 and TDA7266 modules. Let's get started. A power supply, two speakers, an audio source, and some connecting wires. Then, take your speaker wires and connect one wire from each speaker to the positive terminal of each module. Similarly, connect the other wire from each speaker to the negative terminal of each module. Begin by connecting the power supply to the amplifier modules. Make sure to follow the correct polarity to avoid any mishaps. Once connected, power up the modules. This will complete the speaker connections. Now, it's time to test the amplifier. Play some audio through your source device and listen for sound coming out of your speakers. Next, connect the audio source to the input terminals of the PA3116D2 module. This could be your smartphone or any other audio device. Ensure a secure and proper connection. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects and tutorials.